Hello, I am Pau, and welcome to this meditation that you can do when you feel low in energy. Find your comfortable sitting position, that place in your house where you can have some minutes of peace. You can be with your legs crossed, or you can be with your feet touching the floor. Now start checking on your shoulders, moving your shoulders forward and back. Release a little bit of the tension. And then take a deep breath in and bring your arms up to the sky. Grab one of your wrists, take another deep breath in, and when you exhale, stretch, moving towards the other side. Stay there, breathing in, breathing out, and come back to center. Now change the wrist. Exhale, take another deep breath in, stretch, and go to the opposite side of that wrist. Feel a beautiful stretch on the side of your body. Your mind also starts calming down, and slowly exhale, bring your hands to rest on your lap. Now stretch your arms in front of your chest and interlace your fingers, palms facing out. Push, 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 chin to the chest, and when you inhale, bring your arms up to the sky, and exhale, release your arms again on your lap. Now see how you feel your spine, your shoulders. Close your eyes. And we're gonna start that beautiful inward trip to meditation. Bring your hands to touch your heart. One hand on top of the other, connect with your heartbeat. And I encourage you to keep your eyes closed the whole meditation. By connecting with your heartbeat, you start listening to that beautiful music, the rhythm of your heart. A heart that can give you so many messages about how you're feeling, about what you'll do. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Allow your heart to expand, the chest expands. And slowly exhale everything out through your mouth or through your nose. And bring your hands back to rest on your lap. So we're gonna use the breath to recharge the cells, to recharge the mind, to recharge the soul and the heart, allowing the sacred breath to do its magic. So this is the time to be present, to observe. Every time you inhale, observe. And every time you exhale, take the time to exhale deeply and also observe what happens. Breathing in and breathing out, we are cleansing. We are changing the energy. We are recharging with new clean energy. Mindfulness breathing, being present and not multitasking. It will recharge yourself. Relax your face expression. Every time you exhale, feel that your face is melting. And every time you inhale, allow a smile to happen on your lips. Receive that new breath with a smile. Exhale and relax. And that's how you continue breathing in and breathing out. Again, allowing the breath to do its magic, holding space for your sacred breath. Being aware of every breath, staying here with my voice, staying here in your heart, breathing in and breathing out. Inhale deeply through your nose. You feel more alert. Exhale everything out. You feel relaxed and centered. Breathing in. New energy comes. Breathing out. You let go. Cleansing, recharging, even renewing every cell in your beautiful being. Inhale with a smile. Exhale and let go. Breathing in, breathing out. Be present in every breath that you take. Breathing in and breathing out. And now take the deepest inhale of your day so far. Open your arms like wings and bring your arms up to the sky. Your palms meet and touch over your head. And through your center line, you bring your hands back to your heart. Connect it with your heartbeat and slowly start opening your eyes. And you welcome a new moment in your life where you are recharged, renewed, more alert, and ready to follow all your dreams. Thank you for doing this meditation with me. Don't forget to subscribe, to give a like to this video, and to continue in your path of meditation day by day. I am Pau. Thank you. Namaste.